So the in-class assignment that we did today was to look at 2 different charts. So I know you have 3 charts in your Google Classroom, but we're only going to complete 2, and then we'll do another one on Friday or next week, depending on when you're an A or B day. So the first thing that you want to do is put the types of intellectual property across the top. So we've got creative works, which we've spent a lot of time talking about in both of the videos that you watched, logos and slogans, and inventions, okay? Now your job is to put across the bottom which one of these protects each of these pieces of intellectual property, okay? That's the first chart. You can look at the videos or you can Google it, whatever you need to do, or make your best guess, and we'll talk about it. You can comment on here and say, hey, what, did I get it right? Or email me and I can check it for you. The second chart we need to do is one that's called what is protected by copyright. So based on our discussions that we've had and the last chart that you did, you're going to move the pieces of intellectual property that would be protected by copyright. So what is protected by copyright under the yes, you're going to move those pieces under the yes. And if it's not protected by copyright, because including if it's something that would be protected by something else. So if it would be protected by a patent or by a registered trademark, then it would also go in the no side. So you're going to move these where you think they would be in the yes or no. And then again, just contact me and say, hey, will you take a look at my chart and let me know if I did it right, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.